It's hard to think of unique wedding favors that your guests will actually use, but sometimes you don't have to go too far outside the box to find the perfect one. Think of everyday items that you use and love, or think about what gifts you love. Wedding favors are a modern staple for any good wedding celebration. This guide is to help your guests leave with a smile on their faces and something to remember the occasion by, without breaking the bank. Our tips include some clever purchases and inspired DIY projects, personalized gifts and classic wedding favor. One fun and important detail of any wedding is the wedding favors, as wedding favors serve as the perfect thank you for your wedding guests. No matter what the theme or look of your wedding is, Boku has so many wedding favors to choose from. Choose wedding souvenirs as is or customize any idea to best suit your style and personality. Your guests will be delighted. When planning a beautiful, memorable wedding, picking the right favors is crucial. At My Wedding Favors, shopping for mementos to present to your guests might be the most enjoyable part of the wedding planning process.
Days may pass into years. Things we know